everyone, it's Tina with TSR Creations. Back today with another video. I'm going to be doing the swipe that I used a couple videos ago. I did it with Australian Floetrol and Titanium White Amsterdam. But you will have seen, if you go back, you can see the video where I test out the Australian Floetrol versus the American Floetrol, and I think the cells are just as good. So from now on, I mean, I'm going to finish what I have of the Australian, but it was a very small amount and it was very expensive to get. So I am going to be using the American Floetrol, regular Floetrol from Lowe's, and Amsterdam White, Titanium White paints, and it's the ratio is 4:1. Like 4:1, yeah, four tape, say 30 milliliter cups. So that's how I mix it. I take 4 of these to 1 cup of paint. Okay. So today I have a 12-inch round, and I'm going to be doing the little swipey. I don't really know what to call them. They're kind of botanical. So I did a couple little ones. And if you're interested to see how I did those, they're just little videos I do for my Instagram and sometimes TikTok. So go follow me on those and you can see what I don't post here. But here's one I just did, and I really like it. It almost reminds me of a butterfly. So there, you can see, yeah. And these are just little 8x8-inch canvases. So anyway, go check that out. Instagram, all my links are below. Okay, so today we're going to do that on this round, and I put down my black already. I'm just going to move it around. This is a little round MDF. All right. And that's good. Make sure all your sides are covered. Okay. So, colors today. I'm going to try to recreate that one I just showed you, kind of, on this. All right. So I'm going to be using 24 karat gold by Deco Art. I'm going to be using Pebeo Studio Acrylics Blue Black. I'm going to use Antique Copper by Folk Art. These are Treasure Gold collections. Let's see if I have it right here. They come like that. Got it at Michael's. I'm going to be using Folk Art Antique Copper. They're both antique copper, but they're different coppers. This one is like purpley. I'm going to use, I think I'm going to use a little dioxazine purple and this Liquitex Basics light blue violet. I think that's it. I will let you know if I put anything else in. All right, so let's start with my Folk Art. You know what? Instead of the Folk Art copper, since I already have that copper in there, I'm going to use this Artist Loft light coppery color. So let's start with that. And I'm just going to start here. Okay. Do that one. Pebeo Blue Black. And the Antique Copper by Folk Art. And let's do the little bit of the light blue violet. I'm actually going to add just a touch of this little, I want a little brighter color in there, and I'm just going to put it ever so lightly. May not even see it. Oops. out. And a little of my dioxazine, I'm gonna put it over here. Okay, and then the gold. Okay, and that's it for the paint right now. And I have my favorite palette knife, which is a mess. And this is what I used to swipe with. So somebody asked me what else I've swiped with, and I've swiped with pretty much everything. I've swiped with paper towel, like damp paper towels. I swiped with little pieces of paper. I've swiped with large, like tile grout spreaders. I've swiped with everything. But for these, anyway, and really, I've been liking this little knife because I have more control. All right, so here we go. I'm gonna take a little piece of paper and I'm just gonna put some of this down so I have it to dip into. And again, this is the American Floetrol and Amsterdam Titanium White. Okay. Sorry, had a phone call. So anyway, I put down all my colors. I was about to swipe and the phone rang. So hopefully, I don't even know where it cut off, but we'll see. All right, so you make sure you can see there. All right, and I'm going to swipe it this way first, I think. Let me see. Let me think. Okay. Okay, and then you want to wipe off your tool. I feel like I didn't have enough white on my, because I got distracted, but that's okay. But I still got some pretty cool things down there. There we go. Look at that. And I'm gonna put it in there again. And wipe it off. Pretty. And put a little bit more on so I can get this one. I don't know which way I wanted to go with that, obviously. There's a little too much black paint on the base. That's all right, though. We'll make this like a wisp. Yeah, I can tell there's a little too much. See, an MDF board, unlike a canvas, will kind of almost, for me anyway, it feels like it almost sucks some of the base paint up, where the MDF does not. All right, so this is pretty cool right here, what's going on. But I wish there were some more cells in there. Wonder if I can get some more in there. I just don't want to mess it up. A little bit more over here. right. Some pretty things going on. The gold is gorgeous. Put a little bit more interest in here. And as you can see, it's pretty gorgeous. All right, I'm gonna stop. This is what happens. Very pretty. The colors are amazing, and the shine, you can't really see it on camera. Oh yeah. But I'm glad I put that little bit of aqua in there, almost rainbow here. This is really pretty. Really pretty. I could mess with this like all day, but oh my gosh. All right, I'm gonna leave it alone. I promise. So anyway, let me know what you think in the comments below, and give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already. Again, go check out my Instagram and my I have a TikTok. All the links are down below in the description box, and you can follow me on social media, see what else I'm up to. All right, have a great one, and see you soon. Bye-bye.